Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this keto cream cheese chicken chili. Hello, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Let's get started with this cream cheese chicken chili. It's so delicious. We're going to start with about a tablespoon of avocado oil. We've got a heavy bottom pot here. Traditionally, this is called a Dutch oven, so it's nothing special. It's just a cast iron pot. They call it a Dutch oven. We're going to add a half a cup of diced onion to our oil. And you know that I love my frozen chopped onion. It cooks quicker and you don't have to cut it up. It is the best. So we're going to let this cook for about, 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, for our protein, we've got 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs that we've chopped up. I'm going to add that to our pot. I'm also going to add in 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of paprika, and a half a teaspoon of chili powder. And I've got 1.5 teaspoons of cumin. So we're gonna stir this and cook this until our chicken thighs are cooked through. Okay, our chicken is good to go. So now I'm gonna stir in 8 ounces of cream cheese. This is cream cheese chicken chili. So what this, I like to stir it in before I put in any broth or anything. It just melts in so much easier. I'm also going to add in 3 ounces of diced green chilies. These were fire roasted. They have so much flavor. So if you can find like fire roasted hatch green chilies canned, so good. So much flavor. I'm going to add a cup of chicken broth. And to make this really nice and thick and get everything to come together, we're going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum. I'm just going to sprinkle it lightly on the top so it's easier to incorporate. So xanthan gum, I think it really gets a bad rap, but if you look at almost every ice cream, lots of foods use xanthan gum for thickening. There's nothing bad about it. There's nothing bad about xanthan gum. It has almost, in the minuscule amount that we use in keto food, it has no carbs. So it's so much better than using cornstarch or arrowroot powder that has a lot of, it's a starch, so those things have a lot of carbs. But xanthan gum, it does the job with such a little amount, and a little goes a long way, and it does the job. It gets your soup nice and thick. It's already starting to thicken. It's really best if we let it come to a boil to activate the xanthan gum. Okay, we brought it up to a boil, so now our final ingredient is going to be 1/2 cup of chopped cilantro. Now this looks amazing. Okay, let's dish some of this out. I can smell all of that cilantro. And I'm going to garnish it with more cilantro. Got some shredded cheddar. And a few slices of avocado. And let's try a bite. Get some of that avocado in there. That looks fantastic. That is so good. You really taste the cilantro. It's so creamy. And it's got just a little kick from those diced green chilies. So good. Definitely check out this recipe. Also, go and check out this video for my keto chicken enchiladas. They are so easy, so amazing. And if you're ever in the mood for enchiladas and you want a keto version, that's definitely the one you should check out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.